we were all doing so bad. Ako yata yung pinakamatangkad na duwende ever. Hello mga kapuso! Welcome to another vlog today. So, medyo matagal na ako hindi gumagawa ng mga long format vlogs. Pero here it is. At bagong-bago po ang ating gagawin ngayong araw. Me reacting to old teleserye, I guess. Teleserye materials that I have made. Meron kasing ginawa yung GMA na parang, I think it was before Windows War, na AVP ng lahat ng mga show na ginawa ko before. So let's react to that. So simulan natin.
Find out what's fresh and what's hot with your favorite stars. On Kapuso.
Kapuso 101 raw.
Juancho Trigueño.
Ayan, nandyan lahat ng ano ko. Real name, Juan Carlo Trevino. Screen name, Juancho Trevino. Yes, that's true.
Theater showbiz when he auditioned and landed a lead role in a teen-oriented show.
It was a very good experience.
So, yung photo shoot na yun, yung nakapula ako, for Tunay na Buhay yata, hosted by si Ate Rhea de Guzman. Ginawa yan sa village namin sa Santa Rosa. Ano taon ba ako nun? Parang mga 2017 yata. So anyway, pati yung interview na to, it was for that show.
Trigueño. Theater showbiz when he auditioned and landed a lead role in a teen-oriented show.
It was a very good experience. I got to go na.
Ayun, Teen Gen.
Zero labor.
So a little bit of a backstory doon. Si Dayan Hernandez, yung ka-love team ko doon, and I. Actually, lahat kami, since it was our first show, we were all doing so bad. To the point na nagagalit na lahat ng prod sa amin because of how playful we were, and hindi namin makuha yung mga scene. So, lagi kami nagkakamali sa mga lines namin, laging mali yung mga emosyon. It was really a lot of growing pains there. Yun ang background ng Teen Gen. Naitawid naman. So, praise God for that. Natawid siya. So, kung magsisimula kayo na industry at lagi kayo nagkakamali, actually, I think with anything, relax lang kayo. Ganyan talaga. Yeah, kaya nyo yan. Tawirin nyo yan. I believe it's how you respond to it. It's what's important.
Since then, he has been cast in numerous Kapuso programs.
Ang dami na. Instadad. Okay. So, fun fact dun sa Instadad, they shot around Santa Rosa also. So, hometown ko ang Santa Rosa, diba? And minsan lang mangyayari na dito around our area, nag-taping. So, when we taped the whole series of Instadad, it was around this area. At maliban doon, pinayagan ako ng Instadad na mag-attend ako ng mga classes ko in between shoots. So, nakatulong yun sa aking mga pag-aaral.
Nambawian din. Kung kinuha ni Arch.
Little Nanay naman.
Sana nakita na natin sa bahay. Wala tayong nakita, di ba?
Alam nyo guys, minsan kapag pinapanood ko yung mga materials ko before, katulad nitong Little Nanay, lagi ko nakakalimutan na ginawa ko pala yun. Katulad nito with Mark Heras, Tito Bembol, sobrang nakakatawa talaga pag nakakita ako ng mga clips. Kasi parang di ko alam kung paano ko naiisip yung mga bagay na yun. Kasi my character is very goofy there. Character peg ko was like a Kelso ng That 70 Show, kung alam niyo yun. It was so fun. Fun fact also, I think, because of Instadad or after Instadad, nagkaroon na ako ng title role ko, which was yung Magkaibang Mundo.
Gusto ko naman yung kalagayan niya.
Ako yata yung pinakamatangkad na duwende ever. So, Magkaibang Mundo naman was the hardest show that I've experienced because ang daming mga green screen na ginawa. So, times 3 lagi yung materials na ginagawa namin. So, it would be the real world, and then may areas na nandun kami, yung mga duwende. So, lumalaki ako, tapos nagiging duwende ulit ako. So, kukunan yon yung backplates. And then, after ng backplates, kukunan ako na nasa green screen reacting to the real people or the one yung kinunan namin before that. So parang it was really difficult because of that. Dumating sa point na nung mga patapos na kami, we had to shoot 100 to 150 scenes per day. So for context lang, ang regular na mga scenes na ginagawa sa mga teleserye would be like 20 to 30. So sobrang dami nun, guys. Okay. Madrasta naman. Madrasta was difficult also. And transition din siya ng buhay ko yung Madrasta. Again, another title role with Ara and Thea. Pero ba't ko nasabing transition siya ng buhay ko? Dahil during this time, during ng show na to, doon ako na-engage at kinasal kay Joyce while doing the show. Pero everything went well naman. I would say Madrasta really developed me as a person, as an actor also. Sobrang na bigyan ako ng platform doon to explore my capabilities, which I did and I took advantage of. Na feeling ko kaya naging mas malalim yung mga susunod na mga roles ko. It was because of that show. Ito naman, And I Will Always Love You. Sobrang na-enjoy ko to. Dito actually nagsimula yung parang friendship namin nila Barbie. With sila Kimpoy also. Buboy. Pumupunta kami sa Cebu para mag-shoot. Ang dami naming mga memorable experiences. Also Derek pala. And si Ruru sa latter part ng show. Dami namin mga memorable experience at hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yun. Fun yung And I Will Always Love You. It was really fun. Yung Little Princess naman, ang kwento naman doon, yun yung mga lock-in days ng unang panahon ng unang panahon ng COVID. So, yun napakahirap naman nun dahil mentally difficult siya. The show itself wasn't that hard naman. It was parang rom-com. But then yung being away from our family and being stuck alone in a hotel room was quite difficult.
In
Pero itong
Widow's
War,
War, he is Sergeant
hindi na ako-
Major Abdul Casas.
Yun. So I was actually really honored to be partnered with Carla and to meet Bea also. They're both really diligent actresses. I enjoyed my stint with them. I'm very happy with what happened, and syempre happy ako sa success nila. Syempre tumagal kami or tumagal sila hanggang ganito, hanggang end ng taon. Congratulations to them, guys. Sobrang hirap ng mga pinagdaanan rin ng Widow's War with the location and with all that happened there. I'm still so proud to be a part of that show. Yun. So, that's a teleseries I've done so far. Na syempre main cast ako. Grabe, me looking back at the projects that I've done, nakaka-nostalgia talaga. At nakakakilig din kasi syempre, yun yung body of work mo eh. I've been working in the industry for 12 years already. And nakita ko yung development at siguro napansin rin ng lahat ng mga tao sa paligid ko yung naging development ng personality ko and also how I am as an actor as well. So yun, I'm looking forward to do some more stuff with GMA. Tingnan natin. Pero for now, that's it for this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, guys. Paalam.